Hi, this is Chris. Now I will show you our swage threaded stainless cable tensioner. We mainly have two sizes of this product. One size is designed for 1/18 inch and the other is suited for 3/16 inch. This smaller one is suited for 1/8 inch cable, and the bigger one is suited for 3/16 inch cable. These threaded terminals provide a tensioning for your cables and is typically housed entirely with your end posts, making for a very clean look. The terminals are the most traditional way of installing a cable railing and are paired with a second terminal, a deck toggle or a Stemball Swage. They can be used in any type of posts. The terminals are T360 marine grade and stainless and include a stainless hex nut. Use this threaded terminal stud screw to build the railing will be easy and simple. You can make a railing for your garden, stairs, aisle. All accessories are stainless and they can be used outdoors. The railing will look nice. Please feel free to contact us should you have any questions. We are always pleased to serve you at any time. Thank you.